Are you looking for a quick and easy way to track student participation points or student progress towards a goal? That Google Sheets can be your best friend here. What I have here is a sample of using checkboxes in Google Sheets to track students' progress toward a goal. So, for example, I'm thinking back to when I was in elementary school, and we used to have those charts on the wall where they tracked how many books that we read before we reached our goal. That's one way you could do it. So, with this this sheet here that you can make a copy of, you can put in student names, and uh, again, I have just a generic here, 1 through 20. You can delete columns as needed, but it's set up here. So if we have, we'll put a name here. This student here, Tony Stark, is a student in my class, and I'm tracking their progress towards a goal. And as they meet each step, I can check mark in there and watch how the total, it every time I check a box, it adds to the total. So there's a lot of different applications you can use for this sheet here. So again, what I like to do if I'm going to reuse it often, put all the kids' names in. When they're all zeroed out, you come into File, go to your version history, and the one with it where it's zeroed out. So right now the current version is zeroed out. I'm going to go ahead and save it, name that file. There you go. I like to call it the clean slate. And then after we have completed our progress, I can go ahead and zero out all the kids' scores by restoring the clean slate.